Hey guys, so we had one good trade from yesterday, a fantastic winner, and we're going to jump into it now. I'm just going to go over the reasons why we would have hopped into it, why it's a good trade, etc. So you might look at this and go, that's a bit weird that you're picking this as a low and you're not picking this as a low. One candlestick moving down and then shooting back up is nothing for me. However, if you can see it here, we've got multiple candlesticks staying up here and also hanging down in this area here. The difference between the two, obviously, if you're looking at it from this perspective, and I haven't done it all the way from the top, so I'm going to redo that again. From here all the way down, it's about 15.6 pips. Constantly hangs up here, comes back down, comes up, comes back down, comes up. A little bit of consolidation, but not enough of it. But I do think that here would be a low, not one quick move to the downside and up. Now, that in itself, it's a bit 50-50, but the rules do say as long as it's more than one candlestick, if it's over 15 pips and it crosses the EMA, it is a low. So that's why we have rules in the first place, right? So that's why I'm looking at it here. You could say it's one candlestick down, one candlestick, but I'd say there's actually multiple candlesticks that come down here. It hangs underneath the EMA like twice. It's definitely an area where you could be looking at it and saying, hey, there's a low. So therefore, we have a low here. It's a lower low. This then has ranged for 24 hours. We've got good entry. It never consolidated for long enough, right? Didn't consolidate for 24 hours. We hopped in. There was your 1 to 3. There was your 1 to 2. So whilst I was sleeping, it was a nice 5% trade there. And right now, if you'd stayed in that trade, which I wouldn't have, I would have gotten out somewhere around here. But if you would have stayed in it, you would be sitting more like 4.79. But again, you wouldn't be looking at that. So that's the breakdown here. That's the trade that you would have hopped into. If you hopped into anything else, especially my mentorees, or if you've joined the private Discord as well, you can always send them in and say, why didn't you take this trade? Why isn't this trade a good one? Or whatever it is. So join the free Discord, get access to those signals. If you're my private mentorees again, and you don't understand this, or you hopped into a trade that you shouldn't have, book in a meeting with me, whatever it is. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.